Problem 8. Mr. Garcia asked the members of his health class how many days of the last week did they exercise for at least 30 minutes. The results are summarized in the following bar graph. The heights of the bars represent the number of students. What was the mean number of days of exercise last week, rounded to the nearest hundredth, reported by the students in Mr. Garcia's class? So basically, we're just trying to find the average number of days that were reported by each student. So therefore, to find the mean, right, the mean in this case will be equal to the total, right, number of days that they exercised, right, divided by the total number of students, right? Because then that tells us that the average number of days that each student reported, and that's what the question wants. So let's solve for the numerator first. Well, the numerator, right, can be found by just simply understanding the area of each rectangle. So, for example, let's consider 1 times 1 for the first student in number of days exercised. Well, if one student exercised for 1 day, then in total we have 1 day of exercise. And what about for this bar graph right here? Well, if I have if I have 3 students who each exercised 2 days, then I have 6 days of exercise total. And let's do the same. That's 6, that's 24, that's 40, that's 18, and that's 14. What is the sum of all this? Well, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 24, 36. 36 plus 40 is 76. Then again, 94 plus 15 gives 109. So the total number of days is 109. But how many students do I have? Well, it told us that the height of every bar graph represents the number of students for that particular day of exercise that they did. So the total number of students, right, I'll do it here, is 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2. That's the definition of how you find the number of students. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, 6, 12, 20, 23, 25. Divide this by 25 and we get our answer. So let's divide that out, divide by 25. We can obviously put a 4 here, so that gives us 100, and put a 9, 9D something. So immediately let's cross out A, let's cross out B. And we can also cross out E. It's one of those two. And since the 10th digit is unique, we can just solve for the 10th digit and we should be good. So we should put, we could put a 3 here because that's 75, and that would give us 15. So it's 4.3 something, so it has to be C, and we are done.